Hi friend, welcome into Sunny Miles Studio. Today we're going to be making this cute mushroom card. It's about this time of the year that I find myself starting to think about greenery and living things, and I know how it is if you live in the northern parts of the world. After the long winter, it's nice to see growing things again. So there's two different ways you can go about this card. One is to use the wax resist crayon or a white crayon and draw that on first and then add your watercolor on top. Another way to do this card would be to paint the boxes and then use a Sharpie to draw the mushrooms on top of the paint. So it's just a matter of which design you prefer. Today I'm going to be showing you the one with the wax resist crayon. So first I'm going to take a card here and I'm going to draw it lightly in pencil and then go over it with the wax resist crayon. On this one you just kind of draw a stick with some kind of circles around it. I'm going to give him a little buddy. And then these ones are kind of round too. I make it more like a little smile and then a ball around it. Little mushroom down here has these little, I don't know what to call them, little ruffles. And if I was doing this without trying to show it, I would probably draw the pencil lines a lot lighter so that you might not see them as much. But I want you to see what I'm actually, the shapes that I'm drawing. I'm just drawing some little pebbles. And then this other mushroom, kind of draw these little spokes off of it. Like that. You can add a little grass or something if you like. So then I'm going to go over it with this wax resist crayon. And like I said, you can use a white crayon just as easily. I'm just tracing these lines. I was looking at the analytics on my channel and it's fun to see all the different places that you're watching from. There's people in the Philippines, in India, in the UK, Canada, all over the place. That's fun. I welcome each and every one. Still just tracing these lines. Sometimes you have to get at an angle so you can see where you actually are going because it's clear, you know. Okay. And next I'm going to add the color. I'm using the Art Nouveau set. You can use whatever colors suit you. I'm going to do a bunch of greens. The month of March always makes me think of green. There, let's see. This one's kind of a bluish green. This mushroom's my favorite, I think. It's cute. And I'm going to use this pea green for the last one there. There. You could even put a sentiment in the middle if you wanted, or just leave it blank. Sometimes you just need a blank card to write. So I hope this was helpful, and I look forward to painting again with you soon.